Alright guys, so here are the ingredients. First, we're going to need 4 Roma tomatoes, red tomatoes, about 1/4 of an onion, 14 chili pods, I use chili de árbol, a bunch of cilantro, and 6 green tomatoes, salt to taste, and 1 garlic clove. Now let's get started. Now in a dry pan, we are going to toast all the tomatoes. First, let's wash the red tomatoes and the green tomatoes, and let's leave them toasting for a bit. Then we'll add the garlic clove and do the same thing. Let's just keep moving them around until they get toasted all evenly. Let's try not to burn them though. Toasting them makes them get softer, and it makes the blender do an easier job when blending everything, and it makes the flavor come out more. The toasting part does take about 15 minutes or so. About 15 to 20 minutes later, after toasting them, all your tomatoes should be soft and you should be able to poke it with a fork. Now let's throw them all into the blender, and let's do the same thing with roasting all the chili pods. Now these do roast very quickly, in about a minute or two. You do want to keep moving them around so they do not burn. About a minute or two later, go ahead and take them out and add them to your blender. This is how they all should look like. Not burnt, but they should all have a dark red color now. Now let's grab our onion and cut about 1/4, and we are going to want to roast that also gently. Also, you do not want to burn this. You want to do this about 3 to 4 minutes evenly on both sides. When that is done, let's toss it in the blender along with the garlic clove as well. Now let's add 1 cup of water for our salsa, and let's blend everything together. Now you don't want to blend it completely. You do want to leave it chunky because remember, it is a salsa. This is how it should look at the end, a little chunky. Now this is the part that you grab a spoon and let's go ahead and taste it for salt. I did put 3 times salt because I didn't think that it needed more and more. Therefore, salt is just for taste. Last, let's add the bunch of cilantro, and let's go ahead and mix it all in there.
Alright guys, so that was it. This is how I make my salsa, and I do use this for tacos, everyday eggs, meat. I definitely recommend this recipe. So easy, delicious, and if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you've tried it out, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you guys next time.